have a good, clean race.
We're looking forward to seeing what this guy can do because he loves to slide sideways. And when you get the big power of a superbike
To that front row, what kind of a superbike debut will it be for young Josh Heron? Can Roger Hayden continue that momentum? Has Ben Bostrom saved the best till last? We're about to find out all of the off-season's questions. They're about to be answered right here, right now. Great start, Blake Young, and it's the new man, Josh Heron, straight to the front on bike 2.
That was a nice move. It got really close with him and Hayes right there, front wheel, the rear wheel. Blake Young down the inside, looking to take that spot away.
Josh Heron leads on the opening lap of the 2012 Superbike season.
Second place rider Blake Young, number 79 on the Yoshinoya Factory Suzuki in second. The number 2 Factory Yamaha, Josh Heron third, and Heron tries to close on.
This is it. Here he comes. Josh Hayes, the defending series champion, gets his very first win at Daytona International Speedway. That's a milestone for Hayes, and he continues his winning ways. He has been asked for so long, what do you...
Congratulations, Josh. Thank you.